Let's install Shuttie plugin. Make sure you have an installed sensor relay nearby showing a green LED. If Shuttie plugin is not pre-registered, go to alertaq.com/add-sensor and register it with the serial number here, here, or here. Shut off the water. Have a plumber install the valve within 9 feet of an available power outlet. When finished, turn the water back on. Insert both cables into the control module. Plug in the power supply. Drill 2 holes. If applicable, choose the appropriate anchor for concrete or drywall. Drive the screws into the wall. Slide the control module over the screws. Tighten the screws. You can also mount using all 4 holes, or with zip ties. Make sure the LED is green. Now test the valve. Open the AlertAQ app on your phone and turn the water off and on. The valve can also be manually closed when needed. To test it, hold down the black button while turning the lever. Take an installation photo showing the control module and the valve. Upload it to the sensor details page in AlertAQ. Any questions? Contact support at alertlabs.com. Thank you.